Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Assemble the mandatory items and confirm safety protocols, because you will not get to the next step without them. You need a grounded workspace and a conductive synthetic suit that forms a stable interface. Once done, place the inert quantum spark capsule in its shielded cradle. You do this to isolate variables and prevent uncontrolled discharge, so make sure to check seals, continuity, and that all team roles are assigned before initiating the first subroutine. You now begin integration. Connect the capsule harness to the suit interface and engage the alignment pin. This aligns fields and prevents phase mismatch. Once connected, run the short calibration pulse to let the system learn your biometric signature, and keep an eye on telemetry for stable voltage and phase. If oscillations appear, stop immediately. You do this because the capsule's field must synchronize with your neural envelope. Make sure to adjust gain slowly, and log every step for repeatability. You perform the final activation now. Start a controlled ramp from 0 to the target field over 90 seconds while continuously monitoring cardiovascular and neural telemetry. This gradual approach lets the field lock to your bio pattern. Once you hold a stable lock for 30 seconds, test a minimal output and evaluate feedback. If anything goes wrong, instability, spikes, or discomfort, abort immediately, vent the shielded chamber, and return to the integration stage. When retrying, reduce the gain by half to avoid re-triggering faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.